I'm so excited for this one. Oh, there's still some leftovers of brother's face. I'm just gonna put that somewhere else, but I'm also too lazy to go clean it properly, so I guess this is going on my face. So the plan for today is to have a lot of fun and just have a lot of mischief and just really enjoy ourselves. So today we are going to be doing a cute snow woman, snowman, snow person kind of look. We're gonna look fabulous. It's kind of like if Olaf was made by like Tim Burton, if you catch my drift. But in order to get there, I gotta do something that I haven't done in a while, on myself at least, and I gotta do something that I just really, really enjoy. And that is to make our brows cease to exist. I don't want eyebrows. I'm gonna comb them all up, flatten them out, wait for them to get a bit tacky. Then we're just gonna cover them with some baby bum powder. That way they're nice and flat. Okay then, I'm doing so badly. I'm dropping everything. Okay, I thought for once I would put like the baby bum powder in something plastique. So I just took the lid off this face paint, but apparently my coordination today is nothing. I'm just gonna dab a little spongy boy into it, and then I'm just gonna like, really press that bad boy in. Make sure I've got like almost the beginnings of a headache afterwards. I don't want brows. So inconvenient. So then I'm just gonna keep doing that. Oop, get some of that baby, get some of the baby pum powder off. Sorry, I think I got some in my eye. I need water. We're going to paint. Like literally paint. This is body paint. We're gonna be like painting. We're an artist. This is our paint. This is canvas. We're just gonna do it. Ooh, we're doing the thing. All right, so I need a base of just white. And I'm really hoping that I picked the right body paint, because I have quite a few body paints and I have quite a few brands because I just kind of pick them up randomly when I find them, which is great, which is fine. I love that for me. But the issue with that is I know that there's a white around here by a brand that just makes me look like chalk and it's impossible to blend over. So I'm hoping that this isn't the brand. I really wish that I could say that there is such a like incredible difference in my skin tone right now, but I'm pretty pasty. I'm pretty pale. This is looking almost my skin tone. High on a hill, on a lonely goat there. White is now completely on. We look disgusting. Like, I always forget how yellow my teeth look when I have like completely white all over my face. It's definitely a vibe. I do kind of feel like that scene from Mrs. Doubtfire. I really hope Matt can't hear me just shouting in the background, because he's going to be genuinely concerned for my safety and wondering what on earth I'm getting up to, and he's just going to come in here and be like, wow, there's something different about you. Also, like, I'm going to post a picture of Matthew right now because, like, boom, picture of Matthew. I recently dyed his hair blue, and appreciate my work. I had no idea what I was doing. Brad Mondo is quaking. He's in the corner like, how'd she do so good? And I'm sitting there being like, I got no formal training. I just kind of did the thing, and it turned out so good. It turned out so good. It turned out so good. There may be a chance that I gave him like a first-degree chemical burn on his scalp. Love that for him, but also he was the one that asked me to do it, and he was the one that trusted me. So whose fault is that really? The person that had no experience doing the hair, or the person that asked the person knowing that they had no experience to do the hair, allowing them to do the hair? Did that make sense? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you think the possible scalp burn that I've given Matthew is my fault or his fault. Now we get to go on with the actual makeup. So today I'm gonna be using my blue Crystal palette. Crystal is one of my amazing subscribers, one of my amazing baby cakes, and she sent me a hell of a ton of makeup ages ago, and like I definitely cried when I got it. And one of the palettes she gave me is completely blue, so I'm gonna be using that because I want kind of a blue aesthetic going on with this bad boy. So I want this fluffy brush. I didn't drop the palette, I swear to the high heavens, I did not drop the palette. It was close, but I did not drop the palette. So I'm just gonna go into this nice blue color over here. Ooh, she looks cute. And then I'm just gonna chisel out some of my features. It's like my cheekbones and stuff, and I'm gonna hope that I can blend it. Cause like this face paint is just all kinds of gross. It's so patchy and I swear that I'm better at this. We're in a really weird mood today. I recently figured out how to make my own cold brew coffee. So like all the coffee that I've been sent in like fan mails, I got one that's 454 horsepower. I got one that's called Kick-Ass. I got one that's called Death Wish. Oh, they're so nice. I've been savoring them up until I figured out that I can do cold brew coffee, which means that I can like store some coffee in my fridge, and I've been making bottles upon bottles upon bottles, and I'm going through like a bottle a day. So I think that's a bit of an issue. As I'm doing this, I'm also filming like 2 different TikTok videos at the same time, and one of the ones I'm doing is I Mr. White Christmas, I Mr. Snow, that one, the Snow Miser versus Heat Miser one. But now that I have that cute little kind of stuck in my head, and I don't know how to make it stop. If you have songs stuck in your head, how do you get them out? I'd really like to know, because sometimes I get songs in my head that I don't even like. Or songs that are just like not safe for work that someone's shown me, and then like later I find myself humming something. I'm like, what am I humming? And then I'm sitting there being like, oh, I'm humming that. Oh, no. So what I've done, and like, I know this is gonna be a real big shock, I am a very heavy-handed kind of person. So somehow, with an absolute fever dream, I managed to make these out of some cardboard, some tape, and like a little like scalpel kind of thing, like an art scalpel. So what I'm gonna do is essentially kind of press those on my face, and then put some powder over the top, like some eyeshadow colors, and then some glittery kind of eyeshadows just to make some kind of snowflake little doodads all over my face. And I'm really gonna do like kind of around my eyes and my cheekbones and all the contoury kind of parts, because like we an icicle, we a snow woman, we made out of snow. So I'm gonna chuck my mirror there. I'm gonna chuck Margie there. I'm gonna do like a bit of a squat kind of situation so that I can hold 2 things at the same time. So I'm just gonna put this like there. That looks good. Sure, let's go with that. And I'm gonna dive into that same kind of medium blue, and we're just gonna press. Pressing is what you wanna do. I really hope this is gonna work out, otherwise I have to take everything off again. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! She's an absolute freaking genius. Ah! And ever so modest. Okay, we're gonna do this really, really tiny boy. We're gonna do a lighter blue. Oh, she's so cute, yes! She's so cute, yes. I'm just gonna blend in the sides a bit. And if you're using stencils, this also goes for like mermaid scales and stuff. Always pat, do not drag. If you drag, you're gonna move the stencil. For those that don't know or who didn't watch my last video, I recently moved out. I moved out with another creator, and he's amazing and he's wonderful, and I'm making him super uncomfortable and I love it. But he's the idiot that recently let me dye his hair. Please appreciate my work, because it looks so good. And these little parts at the front that I just messed up trying to dye now look like highlights, and it was completely intentional. And everyone thinks that.
I was worried that I'd stripped a bit of color, but when I blow dried it.
Yeah, it looks good. Come, like, actually, come on, camera. Marge! This is your bleach shirt. That's alright. It looks so good though. I did so good. Everyone appreciate me?
Looks amazing.
Thanks! And then because I'm chaotic, I think I'm just gonna cover my face in like that Fenty like glitter bomb stuff, because I want to be shimmery. I want to be shining. I want to shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright tonight. Maybe I should have been an opera singer. And that is the base done. I look ridiculous. Got some black body paint. Got some brushes. Where are my little wing liner kind of brushes? Wing liner, itty bitty brush. Okay, so I'm gonna use my fine liner, my wing liner, and then detail liner. I'm gonna use these liner brushes along with my black body paint. I could use black lipstick, but I feel as though that's just gonna get really messy really fast on my hands, and then I'm gonna rub the black face paint from my hand onto my face, and I really don't want to do that. So we're just gonna go for it. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, so we're gonna okay, we're just gonna draw out a basic eye shape. I want to try and cover up some of this. So Okay, this isn't going too badly. The shape is just really what I want to get right, because once that's all good, once all the outline's done, I can just kind of fill it in. Okay, I'm kind of liking the shape. We enjoying the shape. I'm gonna make it smoother after, I think. So for the moment, I'm just gonna fill it in. Can I use a different brush for that? Oh my gosh, I could use my cream shader. Yes! Look at me having big brain moves. Can just use this big bad boy, this big chonker of a brush. Just gonna try and around. It's gonna look kind of corpse bridey is what I'm realizing, but I didn't want it to look corpse bridey. Hopefully it doesn't with the accessories that we're gonna put on. Okay, yep, cool, great. Excellent, good enough. That's apparently the shape that we're going with, and I'm just gonna fill it in. Everything is awesome. Everything is good when you're in quarantine. Oh, and outside the lines. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me? Eyes are finally starting to look blacked out. There is a lot of face paint happening on my face right now, but it is all worth it. So I think I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow on it now. We're gonna dive into a black. I think it's actually navy blue, screw it. Just to give it a bit more of a matte effect, because I don't want it to be like super duper reflective, but at the moment I can tell on the camera that it is super duper reflective, so we're just gonna do this that way, like she's a bit more mattified. Fingers crossed it works out. Okay, cute. She's looking a little bit more matte. Love that for me. So now I'm just gonna go in with a like eye safe black matte lipstick, and I'm gonna put some of it on the back of my hand, a nice cute little helping. Then I'm gonna get my detail liner brush, the really like small one, this bad boy, this one over here. I'm gonna go with the black matte lipstick at the moment, just because like I think we can be a little bit messy with this on the back of my hand and not have to worry about it going on the white now, but I just wanna put in some cute little eyelashes. So we're just gonna flick, 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 flick. Okay, so now just on with the lips. I'm gonna try and go for the same kind of like system as before, which is the body paint, and just keep packing that on until we get the nice black. I want to go for like a charcoal lip kind of look. At, you know how some snowmen have like the little like black duties, like the black doo-doos on their face? I think it's like charcoal. Either way, we're gonna try and go for it. So I'm gonna close my mouth. And we're gonna do a straight line. Okay, that's fine. Now I just gotta keep going over it and not move my lips. Yay! Go us. Go us. Instead, I'm just gonna stick some liquid latex in this nose that I made out of like alfoil tape and paint, and I'm just gonna like pop that bad boy. Oh, this is gonna look so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, maybe I should put the wig on now. I have a wig. I'm gonna put the wig on now. Oh, she's starting to look so good. Oh, there goes Margie. Okay, this is starting to look so good. I'm so glad that I put this on. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm a cute little snow woman. We're looking so good. I love this. I love this. I'm doing so good. Okay, so for the nose, we got this bad boy, and I got some liquid latex. I don't have a latex allergy. I would have known that by now with the amount of latex that I've used in videos, so I'm just gonna put like a nice little like dollop kind of in there, and then I'm just gonna use my finger to kind of like smush it around. Ooh, she is cold, because I don't need any blending with the nose, I just need it to stick on. So it's essentially like my eye feathers, but like a nose extension. All right, and then I'm just gonna, where did Marge go? On the floor. No one's surprised. So then I'm just gonna like kind of stick it in my nose, and then I'm just gonna, let the liquid latex dry. I do have some latex in my nose, so that's fun. All right, then I'm just gonna hold this on for a bit. Until like I know it's stuck down. Hopefully my body heat will just like help it set and dry. Made sure to keep my mouth nice and open though, so that like suffocation, no breathing, I wanna live. I still want my heart beating. See, I'm a lyricist. Frosty the Snowman. I'm just so sick of holding it, but it doesn't feel stuck. Okay, it's been a solid like half hour now, but She's finally stuck on. Took a lot of liquid latex and a teeny bit of wig glue, but she's there. Kind of a little bit floppy, kind of a, I really vibe this. Like part of me is like, I wish my nose was like this all the time because it's giving me some toucan vibes and I love a good toucan. But either way, this is all on, which means that we have one last detail to put on. I made a cute little top hat to go with it. And she's done! Woo! Trying to knock off my nose. What's that all about, my fans? I haven't seen the full product. Are we ready? A 3, a 2, a 1. Ah! I look so cute. 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 This looks so cute. My nose is being a little bit pesky. That's okay though, because I don't want to wait an extra half hour for it to be really stuck. But at the same time, is this not adorable? This is exactly what I want every snow person and every snow woman and every snowman to look like me. Because I'm fabulous and right now I look incredible. Like look at that, like with the eyes closed and everything. Is that not what dreams are made of? Thank you, Lizzie McGuire. This is what dreams are made of. Look at it, just get the whole show. I'm not gonna be able to see what that looks like till I edit, but oh my gosh, I love this. Please let me know down in the comments what you think of this cute little snow woman, snow person look that I came up with these. I just think this is so cute. Now that the body paint is on, the wig is on, the nose is on, and the top hat is on, and because I'm a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube, there's only one thing left to do, and that is a sexy, a slow nose. Boom. This is a vibe. I feel like a really intense witch. Like if a snow woman was a witch too, this is what this would be. I'm a snow witch. Now that the makeup, the nose, the hat, the wig are on and sexy slow-mos are done, that means it is it for today's video. You can't really see my mouth moving because my nose is just so long. I just want to give a cute little hype session. I just want to be your cute little hype woman, especially going into such a just a really festive season, a really overwhelmingly wholesome season. I just want every single one of you to know how perfect you are in every single shape, way, and form, how beautiful you are from the inside out, and how you have hearts made of gold, and you have made every single day of mine so much better since I started this channel, and I'm grateful for every single one of you because you just give me a bright light in every single one of my days, and I don't think there's enough words in the world that can really sum up how grateful I am and how appreciative I am and how thankful I am for every single one of you. And I hope that by making more videos, I can just make you more proud of me. But, and a big but, in saying that, I know that there are people out there in the world who don't know that you exist and don't know your beauty and don't know your magnificence, intelligence, and just your absolute perfection. So I need for every single one of you to go out there into the world and show them that. Give them that bright light, give them that bright spark in their days that they are obviously missing. While you're out there, don't forget what your mother always says. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel.